Welcome to the Quizerz. Are you ready to choose your favorite fast food? Let's play Would You Rather Restaurants Fast Food Edition. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather have pancakes or French toast for breakfast? Would you rather have Starbucks Frappuccinos or Dunkin' Coffee? Would you rather only eat Grimace Meal for the rest of your life or KFC for the rest of your life? Would you rather always have Domino's garlic bread or Papa John's cheese sticks as a side? Would you rather have a McFlurry or a Grimace shake? Would you rather have a Whopper or a Big Mac as your go-to burger? Would you rather have Five Guys fries or Shake Shack fries? Would you rather eat a gummy cola bottle or a jelly candy strip? Would you rather have McDonald's fries or Burger King's fries? Would you rather have Cinnabon or Krispy Kreme donuts? Would you rather eat a giant bag of spicy nacho chips or a family-sized tub of cheese puffs? Would you rather eat Takis or Cheetos? Would you rather eat pizza or a burger? Would you rather eat a whole pack of Oreos or an entire sleeve of Pringles? Would you rather enjoy chocolate cake or vanilla ice cream? Would you rather eat Lifesavers or Sour Patch Kids? Would you rather eat only at KFC for a month or eat only at McDonald's for a month? Would you rather eat a bag of spicy jalapeno flavored chips or a bag of BBQ flavored chips? Would you rather munch on nacho cheese Doritos or spicy sweet chili Doritos? Would you rather eat M&Ms or Skittles? Would you rather eat Pringles or Goldfish? Would you rather drink tea or coffee? Would you rather eat gummy bears or jelly beans? Would you rather eat Wendy's nuggets or McDonald's nuggets? Would you rather eat sweet and sour chicken or orange chicken? Are Reese's Pieces a top-tier candy? Would you rather drink Starbucks coffee or Dunkin' coffee? Would you rather eat only breakfast items from Starbucks or Dunkin'? Would you rather only drink fountain sodas from Wendy's or flavored lemonades from Chick-fil-A? Would you rather eat unlimited In-N-Out burgers or unlimited Shake Shack burgers? Would you rather eat Sun Chips or Ruffles? Would you rather eat only fried chicken from Popeyes or wings from Wingstop? Would you rather eat spring rolls or samosas? Would you rather eat mozzarella sticks or Hot Pockets? Would you rather have an unlimited supply of sour gummy worms or an endless stash of chocolate-covered pretzels? Would you rather stock up on Lay's Stacks chips or Pringles? Would you rather pick Dunkin' Donuts or Krispy Kreme? Would you rather eat New York cheesecake or a French macaron? Would you rather eat Skittles or Reese's peanut butter cups? Would you rather have a milkshake or a smoothie? Would you rather have burger rain or pizza rain? Would you rather eat cornbread or hush puppies? Would you rather eat candy corn or cupcakes? Would you rather eat a bagel with cream cheese or a donut? Would you rather eat a sandwich from Firehouse Subs or a sandwich from Subway? Would you rather eat Cold Stone Creamery or Baskin Robbins ice cream? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.